spring, to me, that's asparagus. I love this vegetable. It's so universally used, salads, soups, roasting, which I'm going to tell you about in another video. But many people are very, very confused about how to buy it, what to look for, what if I have to store it, and how do you clean it and get it ready for cooking. So the great thing about asparagus is you can actually keep it for a couple of days, but this is what you have to look for. You want to look for nice, tight heads on the asparagus. This is going to tell you it's really, really fresh. And because they're kind of like a flower, if you have to store them at your house, put them in something they can stand up in with a little bit of water and then loose bag right over the top like that and back into the refrigerator. These have been in my fridge for, I don't know, a day and a half, and they still look just as good as the day I brought them home. I was always taught to snap asparagus. It was just the easiest way I knew how, but here's the deal. If you snap asparagus, there's really nowhere to know where they're going to snap. So they're going to come out all different lengths, and you're going to have wasted all of this asparagus. And when I got into the restaurant business, and I was there for a lot of years, I learned that in restaurant kitchens, you cut a little bit off the ends, and then you peel the rest of the stalk. This is all tender and sweet and delicious, kind of actually like artichokes. You could do the same thing with an artichoke stem. Cut off that hard green outer layer. That inside is just like the artichoke heart. It's fabulous. So this is how you do it. You take a stalk of asparagus. I'm just going to cut off maybe a ½ inch on the bottom, just like that. And then you just want to take your peeler. I love Y peelers, especially this one from OXO. And you're just going to peel. You're going to want it peeled about 2/3 of the way up the stalk. And what that's going to do is that's going to leave just the really beautiful white inside that's going to roast up or cook or whatever you're doing with these beautifully. And it's going to be delicious and sweet, and there's no need to snap. And now you know how to buy, store, and prep your asparagus for dinner.